Hi friends, I'm going to solve a full Rubik's Cube right now. Ready, steady, set, go. See friends, right now I just made a square quickly. Did you see that? Then after that, then I want you to see. Then after that, we go here. You see friends, I got it here and two are here. I'll do this. Then over here I will take it out and go here and then turn and then go here. Then we got a 3 square. Now we can just pull it up. We're almost done to play. Then we do this, but it's now under here. When you pull it, you come here and then I do down and then go here and go here and up. Then I will see Banana Adi. This and then then after that I have to do little adjustments here. I'm doing some adjustments. Oh, looks like we got to skip friends. Now let's escape this. Then let's see red. Come on, red. Then we change this like this, swapping brains. Then we come here and we got it here goodly. And this orange thing will go down on here. And then green will also have to go here. See friends, wow! We got the first layer done. First up here. Second, we need to make it come. Like green and red. Here it is. Then I'll move this. Move and move this. Now check in this layer. Or green and orange, Green and orange. Where is green and orange? Here you are. Search for green and orange. Okay, we got green and orange. So we'll do this. Blue and orange. Orange and blue. We are almost done with the second layer. See how good it came, friends. Now let's try to get red and blue. Here's red and blue. See, friends. Let's do this. It's go time. Right, friends? It's go time. It's time for making this yellow, the yellow cross. So how am I going to do it? I'm going to try it like this. G formula. Do this. Then a kodu. Then I do this. Then
Line.
do this.
They know English.
And then up. See friends, we got a straight line. Now let's try over here again. You have to try that again to make that white cross. I think we got a J. Like this is J. So we can do this. Then we go this, do this, and then do this. See friends, this plus what I wanted came. Next, let's just adjust with this. Just for checking. Okay, then I'm going to do this. Then do this and this and this. We got it green. Still I have to do. Now check. Red and green is over here. Now blue and this should come, I'll make it come. Then orange. Look, friends, we got a T. Now let's check. Yellow, red thing. This needs last formula. This needs right now formula. I'm going to do it quickly so I don't forget it. Please. Yes! This also last. Last. Everything got last. Now it's time to doom it up. It's time to break loose. do this, then pull it up, and then go down, and then go here and here, and still try my best. Up, check. Good. Still I'll change over here. Wait. Oh, hold this side is the good side, and I'll fix this. Check. Good, it's correct. We're almost done with it, friends. We are almost done. Now after again try. This is last formula. Yes, friends, we solved it. Do you like it, friends? Say in the comments if you like this video. Thank you. Bye. And also, please like, share, and subscribe channel, and press the bell notification bell, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.